Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Grade 2, Unit 6. Careful Hans. Question answer. Question number A. Where did grandmother live? Grandmother lived in a small cottage. COTTAGE cottage. Jhompdi. Question B. Where did Hans put the needle? हंस ने नीडल यानी कि सुई कहाँ रखी? Why was this foolish? और ये इतना बेवकूफ़ाना क्यों था? Hans put the needle in the hay. Hay means सूखी घास. It was foolish because needle is very small thing and that can be lost into the hay. Needle यानी कि सुई एक छोटी सी चीज़ होती है जो कि घास में खो भी सकती है, गुम सकती है. Where did Hans put the spoon? Why was this a bad idea? हंस ने चम्मच कहाँ रखी और ये एक बुरा आइडिया क्यों था? Hans put the spoon inside his sleeve. उसने अपने आस्तीन में आस्तीन के अंदर वाली साइड पे स्पून यानी कि चम्मच को रख दिया. It was a bad idea because it can be fall from the sleeve. ये बुरा आइडिया इसलिए था कि चम्मच बाजू से आस्तीन से गिर सकती थी. नंबर डी. Where did Hans put the puppy? Why was this wrong? हंस ने पप्पी को कहाँ रखा था और ये गलत क्यों था? Hans stuffed the puppy into his pocket. Stuffed mean भर देना, रखना. It was wrong because inside the pocket the puppy couldn't breathe and he might be dead. ये इसलिए गलत था कि पपी पॉकेट के अंदर सांस नहीं ले सकता था और वो मर भी सकता था. What happened to the meat? It was eaten or nibbled by puppy. It was meat was eaten by puppy or you can say meat was nibbled by puppy. Nibble mean कुतरना, छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में काटना या खाना. Question F. The last question is what happened to the butter? मक्खन के साथ क्या हुआ? The butter was melted in the sun. बटर सूरज की रोशनी में मेल्ट हो गया, पिघल गया.